going to show you how to fix a black screen issue on your Onn Surf Kids Tablet. This is an 8-inch, but it should also work for the 10-inch as well. So basically you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know the tablet is actually on. Maybe you can hear sounds coming out of it, or you can always plug it in. Even though if you have a black screen, you want to know the tablet is on, you can always plug it in, your power cable, and you hear that little chime, okay? Now, take note that this tablet is actually fixed, but we're going to pretend I have a black screen in here, okay? I'm going to give you guys several steps or possible fixes that you can all do from your home, okay? Nothing to do with taking the tablet apart or nothing, all right? So first thing, we want to go ahead and take it out of this case here. So let's go ahead and pull it out of this case. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to restart it using the power button here, okay? So again, let's just pretend like my screen here is black, all right? So you have the power button right here, or maybe on the 10 inches somewhere else, but you want to press and hold that power button and don't let go until we see the on logo appear, okay? So let's pretend my screen here is black. Here's the power button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep on holding. Don't worry about what's happening to my screen. Pretend it's a black screen here. Continue to hold that power button until we see an on logo appear. Still holding on to this power button here. It just turned off. I'm still holding on the power button. It's going to boot back up. There's the on logo. Now let go of the power button and let it boot up normally, and hopefully you are out of the black screen. If not, then we're going to go to step 2. Okay, so next step we're going to do this, okay? First is just locate your power button, and with your power button, just spam it 3 times, kind of hard, okay? 1, 2, 3, okay? It could be loose or jammed or whatnot. I don't want you to do it 4 times, because if you have the SOS emergency enabled, then you click it like 4 or 5 times, and it's going to call your your emergency line wherever country you're in. Like if you're in the US, it will call like 911. Anyway, I tapped that 3 times. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Wait about 5 seconds, let it like start charging, and then we're going to pretend my screen is black here. So it's charging. And then same thing, you want to go ahead and restart it using that power button again, okay? So it's charging. Here's the power button. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Just keep on holding. Don't let go until we see an on logo appear. Still holding onto the power button here. Just be patient. It's turning off now. Now it's going to turn back on. I'm still holding onto the power button. Where's that on logo? Oh, there it is. Go ahead and let go and let it boot up, and hopefully now you are out of the black screen. If not, we're going to go to step number 3. All right, so you still have a black screen, no problem. We're going to go ahead and unplug it this time. And now what we're going to do is what I call the tap method, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to put the tablet down like this, and we're going to get 2 fingers, and we're going to tap all over on the screen and all over on the back. And the whole premise behind this is you may have a cable that's slightly dislodged, and a little tap can pop into place, and the screen can come on, okay? So we'll start off on the screen here. Again, just pretend my screen here is black. We're going to get 2 fingers, and then we're going to kind of tap all over kind of hard, okay? All over on the screen. And sometimes as you're doing this on the screen, sometimes it'll like start up halfway. You might get like white lines or whatnot. Anyway, just keep tapping like this all over. And every once in a while, go ahead and tap that power button and see if your screen turns on, okay? If it's still black, no problem. We're gonna go to the back of the tablet here. We're gonna do the same thing, 2 fingers. And you wanna tap kind of hard, okay? Especially around the camera lens, okay? All around there. All on the sides, on the corners. Turn it over, tap on that power button, and see if your screen turns on. If it doesn't turn on from here, no problem. Again, right now, we're going to do the same thing. Press and hold that power button, and don't let go until you see the on logo appear. So we'll just do it together one more time, okay? Power button, press and hold now. Keep on holding. Don't let go until we see an on logo appear. Still holding onto the power button. Still holding. It just turned off. Still holding. There's the on logo. Now I'm going to let go of the power button, okay? And hopefully you guys are up and running. If not, we're going to go to the next possible fix. So this next possible fix is what I call the massage method. What we're going to do is we're going to pick up the tablet like this, and we're going to massage using our thumbs on the screen and on the back. And the whole premise behind the tapping, you may have a cable that's slightly dislodged, okay? So it doesn't matter if you start off on the screen or the back. We'll just start off on the screen here. You can use a rag if you don't want to smudge up your screen. But what we're going to do is we're going to hold it just like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the screen, okay? Press, kind of give it like a nice massage. Press all over. Press press. If you hear a little click, just go ahead and tap that power button and see if the screen turns on, okay? If not, no problem. We're going to keep massaging it all over, okay? All over on the screen, on the corners, everything. Press, press, press. And on the back here as well, press. Nice massage. Press. And if you hear a little click, turn it over, tap that power button, and see if your screen is on, okay? Anyway, keep massaging it. Press, press. All over, turn it over, tap on that power button and see if your screen turns on. If not, from here, restart it using the power get button again. Press and hold, don't let go until you see the on logo appears, then let go. And hopefully you're out of the black screen now. If you're still in the black screen, the next step I have for you is what I call the smack method. Basically, we're gonna hold our hand out like this, and we're gonna grab the tablet. If you have the 10-inch tablet, you're probably gonna have to hold it like this, but I have the 8-inch here. You're going to tap smack all over the screen and all over on the back as well. The same premise with the tapping and massage method. You may have a cable that's slightly dislodged, okay? So anyway, we can just go ahead and start off. Doesn't matter, you start off on the screen or whatnot, with the back. I just start off on the screen here. I'm going to give a couple of whacks right on my palm, like that. Also on the bottom of the screen, couple of whacks. And then on the back as well. On the back bottom too. Now, grab your tablet and tap on the power button and see if your screen is on. If it's still black, same thing. Press and hold that power button and don't let go until you see the on logo appear. Once it appears, let go. Now, if you still have a black screen, then the last method I have for you is to go ahead and grab the tablet just like this, put it into your freezer where it's nice and cold, leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, grab your nice cold tablet out of the freezer, tap on that power button, and see if the screen is on. If it's still black, then while the tablet is nice and cold, press and hold that power button again, and don't let go until you see the on logo appear. Once it appears, then you can let go. Okay, so here's the thing. If you tried all of these steps and you guys still have a black screen, then what I would suggest is start back from step number 1, try step number 1, the second method, third method, go all the way down. If that doesn't work, try it 3 times. Try it at least up to 7 times, okay? A lot of times the 7th time for some reason, it just like boots up and you're back in business. Okay, anyway, if you guys tried all of these steps, like really, I'm gonna say at least 70% of you guys should have a working, or your screen should be turning on, it should be working now. If it worked for you, give me a thumbs up, comment which method worked for you. If it didn't work for you, give me a thumbs down. Like I said, if you tried all these methods at least 7 times, we should see at least a 70% thumbs up rating, okay? Good luck, guys.